Ako to siya ano.
Okay. Malaysia's King Palace. Very beautiful. Oh, it has a souvenir shop there.
Yeah, but don't buy because not have a lot choice.
So later, can we just drop to? I was thinking if we will go to the island, the casino, and where's that again? The big statue.
Yeah,
Genting Island.
yeah. Have cable car also. If you're
Cable.
going, what do you
Yeah.
buy cable car. The new tower, high in the number 2 high in the world.
That's one.
Yeah, that's 118.
What's the name of it? Building? What's
118.
118? Okay.
Yes.
And the other one,
The
the
other one is KL Tower.
KL Tower. Okay.
Yes, that's why I tell you about KL Tower. If you want going at night, it's beautiful.
Ah, okay. Because it has a light, right?
Yeah, it's a light. That
Different color.
I show you.
Okay, that's KL Tower. Oh, it also has an entrance fee, right?
Yeah,
How much?
120.
Okay. Okay, so this is the King Palace. Yeah,
Army also can.
let's go to the army.
Yeah. You can take photo with us.
Okay. Ayan mga idol, no? Ito yung bagong King Palace dito. King's Palace mga idol, no? Hindi na raw pwedeng pasukin yung dati raw. Yung luma daw pwede. Pero ito raw kasi hindi pwede.
Team,
Okay.
give your bottle. Give your water.